What's up guys, it's another pack opening today. I tried making one of icons yesterday, but it wouldn't upload because I was not meant to do anything above 15 minutes. What? I got so many good ones. I'll do an update. 9 icons, okay? I'll try and get out to you at some point, but for now we're going to try again. There's some icon packs. It's Father's Day today, so it's icon Father's Day packs. And currently I was on V16 last time I looked, so I'm going to... Oh, hello. Oh, it's David Silva. Oh, change pack. 3 for 20. They've released more Team of the Year packs to do Father's Day. Unlimited, they don't cost a penny. Which means I can open as many as I want. Oh, but here are the highlights. Oh boy. Right. I really need to remember why these ratings. These packs never get used. Oh my god, these are terrible. Oh, it's just... No. Go! Oh wow, this is terrible. And they're gone. Rather than do that, I've got a pair of ideas. I collect match attacks. Yes, a lot of them. For the last 3 seasons, I've been collecting most kinds of match attacks. And I thought we could make some ultimate teams from them. Let's see what it's like. I'll get my cards. Nice big dollop going to be next to me. I just need to take 11 players at the top of the pile and make a team from that. Here, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, don't forget your goalkeeper in there. There's Jan Bakash, forward. 3 forwards, 1 defender, 3 forwards, 1 midfielder, 2 midfielders, 3 midfielders, 2 defenders, 5 defenders, 3 midfielders, and 3 forwards. So equals 11, so there's no goalkeeper. That's an absolute nightmare. Joe Gamers is in the team. Van Dijk is in the team. Ferland Mendy is in the team. You're allowed legends, so Alan Hansen is in the team. Ben Mee is in the team. Midfield, Eric Dyer, Gylfi Sigurdsson, and Kevin De Bruyne. In attack, Luka Jovic, Jamie Vardy, and Jan Bakash. So that's one team, quite a useless team. See how many teams we can make from massive pile I showed you. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I didn't see a goalkeeper there. 1, 2, 2 midfielders, 1 defender, 1 forward at the moment, 2 defenders, 3 midfielders, 3 defenders, 4 midfielders, 4 defenders, 5 midfielders, 6 midfielders, and 4 defenders, and 1 attacker. Start me attacker. Timo Werner. There was rumours around him going to Liverpool, but in the end he might be going to Chelsea. God, you fool, Werner. Jan Valery. Benatia. Scott Dan. De Ligt. It could be better, But, you know, who cares? And then the 6 midfielders. Jordan Henderson. Good captain. Samadov, not Sabadell of Saturday. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, Mario Lemina, Sofiane Boufal, and Babel. Oh, I need a goalkeeper. I just need a goalkeeper. So 2 teams so far. I'm only a third of the way through, so it's going to be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I didn't see a goalkeeper again. 1 forward, 1 defender, 2 forwards, 1 midfielder, 2 defenders, 3 defenders. Oh, 2 midfielders, 3 midfielders, 4 defenders, 4 midfielders, 5 defenders, 4 midfielders, 2 attackers, and not a single goalkeeper in sight. That's very fun. Right, defensing: Hector Bellerin, Charlie Daniels, Marquinhos, Christensen, Alba. Not bad defence. That's some stinky ones and some good ones. Midfield: Liverpoolian Andre Shelvey, Oriol Romeu, Pedro, Jorginho. And finally, the attack, I got a sweet one: Giroud and Firmino. Hey, wonder how many Liverpool players we'll get. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I saw a goalkeeper in there. Yay! 1 midfielder, 2 midfielder, 3 midfielder, 1 defender, 1 forward, 2 forwards, 4 midfielders, 1 goalkeeper, and a forward, and a forward, and a midfielder. Just 1 defender, Carlos Christie, who's a stinker, and Speroni, who's like 41 in goal. It's a nice start with our midfield from the back. Aaron Hazard, ooh yeah. Dwight McNeil, Davy Proper, Awar, and Fitzel in the midfield. In the attack, we have Diego Costa, Shane Long, Solomon Rondon, and Elias Kachunga. So overall, a bit of a stinky team. Probably won't get far in the squad battles. Right, speaking of squad battles, recently I acquired FIFA Ultimate Team for the first time, and I am currently in my 3rd squad battle, and I'm currently in gold 3 position, which means I'll get like 10,000 coins, which I'm happy about because I've barely been over 10,000 before. So yeah, right, next team: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I saw a goalkeeper, 1 midfielder, 1 goalkeeper, 2 midfielders, 3 midfielders, 4 midfielders, 1 defender. Oh, 2 goalkeepers without a switch. Michael Owen, yay! 1 forward, yeah, 2 forwards, 1 midfielder, and a forward and 1 midfielder. Loads of midfielders, few forwards and 1 defender. Ashley Young is that defender, he's 35. And Buffon, he's like 43. He's like the oldest player in the world at the moment. Insigne, Danny Welbeck, and a great Michael Owen. Yay! Mesut Ozil. What's his name? Daniel De Rossi, Dele Alli, Luka Modric, Naby Keita, Granit Xhaka. Not a bad team, not a bad team. Could be better, could be better. We are reaching the 2/3 point, and at this time I decided that I would tell you something. Again, I recently acquired the Fantasy Manager Premier League. So I'm competing for this week's Premier League. Well, next week's anyway. We have to pick players that you think will do well, and whoever does do well will get lots of points. Yay!